How you going? Brad from wpsites.net. Let's have a look at adding more widget areas for both the solid and image sections to the front page of the Cafe Pro theme by Studio Press. Now there's a fair amount of code modifications and additions that you need to make this happen. There's about 7 different code snippets and CSS rules that need to be added, modified or changed in some way. And let's just take a look at the result. Here's the Cafe Pro theme that I've got loaded locally, and here's the first front page 1 widget area, which is a solid section, and here's the second widget area, which is an image section. And basically what the code in this tutorial does is replicates front page widget 1 and 2, which are these 2 widgets, and adds them as front page 5 and 6. And here they are here. Here's the front page 5, which is a solid section. It's the same as the first widget. And here's the 6, which is an image section. It's the same as the second. So that's what it does. And it also adds another input field for the background images for the 6th section, okay, and also a default which you can add in the child themes images folder. And here's the one I've added here. This is the default bg-6jpeg, so you can swap that out and keep the same file name. So if we click on change image, actually not change image, remove, and then default, you'll see that comes up now. So save and publish, and we'll just check to make sure that works on the front page 6 background, and there it is there. So that's pretty much what this tutorial covers, and there is quite a few steps involved. There's 5 different steps, and some of the steps have 2 or 3 different code additions or modifications, but this screencast just proves the result of what the tutorial does and what it produces. The front page 6 widget area has included the same CSS that the front page 2nd section uses, and includes CSS to add the featured page widgets. So there's only one additional line of CSS added to do that. So if you don't want to use Genesis featured page widgets in the front page 6 image section, you can remove that one line of CSS, and that line number is included in the tutorial, so that makes it very, very easy. So all the line numbers are included. It is easy to follow, but you have to follow it precisely to get the result. Otherwise, you miss a step in code and it just doesn't work. That's the way it is. So here's the tutorial. All the code supported for members at wpsites.net. And if you wanted some simple modifications, or modifications that are only going to take me 5, 10, 20 minutes, then that's normally included in membership as well. So if you're looking for that solution, here it is, published on wpsites.net. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Cheers.